Hello, we are at 878 14th Street and this is apartment 204. It's a studio apartment. Right when you open up the front door of the unit, you come straight into the main room. There is a nice large window. The unit gets great natural light. And we are looking out here onto the building next door. Okay, we have a kitchenette, electric stove, a fridge, white cabinets. Here's the exhaust fan and a marble countertop here around the kitchen sink. Hardwood floors here in the unit. We have an electric wall-mounted heater. Okay, coming into the bathroom vanity area. Hi there, everyone. Sorry, I look like a bandit here in my coronavirus face mask attire. Okay, bathroom vanity. Got a pedestal sink, cabinet underneath. Nice big mirror. There is a large closet, a couple shelves. They have to come and hang a bar there for hanging clothes. And also here in the closet, FYI, breaker box for the unit. And please excuse, there's a light in the closet. They just need to bring a ladder tall enough to put the new bulb in. So thank you for bearing with us. All right, coming into the bathroom, we have a nice large rain shower, shower head, shower enclosure with a glass shower door and black and white tile. Okay. And there is an exhaust fan. Also in here, they are going to install a new towel bar and some shelves here on this wall. So please excuse while we put on the finishing touches. Okay, so that is a quick look at the unit. Please feel free to email me or text me, and I'm happy to let you know when we're going to have the next virtual open house. We're doing Zoom meetings right now during the shelter-in-place order so that folks have an opportunity to attend a virtual open house before submitting an application. Also, please know that at this building, we do have shared coin-operated washer-dryer, and there is a beautiful outdoor area with a pool. I also have some motorcycle parking available and a storage locker for additional monthly charge if anybody would like that along with their new studio apartment. Okay, thanks so much for watching. 878 14th Street, and this is apartment 204.